The FORTIFIBER high-performance system combines the A and B installation methods to create the most rigorous installation available. It combines a gasket flashing approach with a face sealing method. Gasket sealing seals beneath the window mounting flange, while the face sealing seals over the flange. We begin the installation with 9-inch moist stop next installed at the sill. The sill flashing is cut to the width of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing material. After the sill flashing, we install flashing on each jamb starting 1/2 inch above the bottom of the sill flashing. These pieces are cut to the height of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing material minus 1 inch. And now we install the window according to the manufacturer's instructions. But first, we put a nominal 3/8 inch bead of moist stop sealant continuously behind the window mounting flange, covering the pre-punched holes. Then we set the window. Look for sealant squeeze out as we put the window in place. Place the first fastener, then check for plumb level and square. Place the second fastener in the opposite corner and check for plumb level and square again. Then continue according to the window manufacturer's instructions. The next step is to place Easy Seal over each jamb and then at the window head. This provides the face seal. Cut the jamb flashing to the height of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing material minus 1 inch. To install, peel away the release paper and press the flashing firmly in place with the adhesive covering the window flange. Cut the head flashing to the width of the rough opening plus twice the width of the flashing material plus 2 inches. Remember, the head flashing is installed with the adhesive covering the window flange. To complete the installation, we install the weather-resistive barrier in weatherboard fashion. The first course of the weather-resistive barrier is tucked underneath the sill flashing. As we move up the wall, the weather-resistive barrier is applied over the jamb and head flashing. And that completes the FORTIFIBER high-performance installation.